Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. First, I'd like to thank you for clicking on my channel. I hope you get something out of it. I appreciate you. And today I am making nut butter quinoa muffins. And the nut butter I'm using is cashew butter, but you can use any nut butter you want, almond, peanut butter, whatever kind of nut butter you want. And first I need oat flour, but I don't have any oat flour, so I'm gonna make some. I put about a cup and a half of old-fashioned oats in this container. Anyway, I'm gonna pulverize this into a flour, and it's gonna be, that's how you make oat flour. Hang on one second. Okay, you can see this is just like flour now. It's pulverized that oats. Those oats just right into a floury mixture. So, but if you want to use regular flour, you can also do that. And just to save on dishes, I'm going to put the rest of the dry ingredients in here with this flour and mix it in with that. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, that's all nicely mixed. Next, I have a 1/4 cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. This is a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1 cup of cashew butter. Have you ever had this? Oh my gosh, it's so good. 2/3 of a cup of coconut milk, teaspoon of vanilla. We're just going to get all this nicely combined. I'm going to switch to my whisk. Okay, now I'm going to pour in our dry ingredients. Half a cup of pecans going in, 1/2 cup of coconut, 1/2 cup of quinoa. Were you wondering where that was when that was coming in? And a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. You could use raisins, you could use chopped dates. You want to use some chopped up cherries, dried cherries, it would be wonderful. Now, I've used this tin before. It's actually squares, but I'm putting just the regular circles in here, and then they turn into squares. So you want these about 2/3 full. Did you notice these are vegan? Okay, these are going to go in 350-degree preheated oven, 18 to 22 minutes, and we're going to see you back here then. Don't go away. And we're back, and we have some lovely nut butter and quinoa muffins. They actually took about 20 minutes. Remember I said between 18 and 22. You know, it depends on your oven, depends on the climate, depends on so many things. So anyway, and I put some in a round muffin tin as well. So you can see I have some round ones and I have some square ones. How fun, right? And I am going to unveil one so you can see. Right. Oh my gosh. I don't know which side to take first. Nobody would ever know that these are a healthy option for a muffin. A nice breakfast muffin, nice snack muffin, nice little dessert. These are fantastic. That cashew butter in there is marvelous. I don't know, again, if you haven't had that, give it a try. It's super delicious. It's real, I was gonna say it's real buttery. It's cashew butter. It's real buttery and it's got the cashew flavor. It's so good. If you don't like cashews, like my sister Laura, you probably wouldn't like it because it tastes a lot like cashews, but it tastes a lot like butter too. Anyway, it's fantastic. These are fantastic. I hope you give them a try. I hope you like them, and I hope you'll come back and watch me again. I'll see you next time. You take care now.